This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi is quietly costing you money every single month, and you do not even notice it? No major breakdown, no dramatic warning light, no obvious disaster, just small hidden losses, again and again and again, until one day you realize how much money disappeared. Because this is one of the biggest mistakes Audi owners make. They only react to obvious problems. But expensive ownership often comes from silent inefficiency. The hidden costs, the slow leaks, the bad habits, and those are far more dangerous. Let's start with driving behavior. Many owners think fuel waste comes only from traffic, or engine age, or fuel prices. But daily habits matter massively. Aggressive throttle use, unnecessary acceleration, poor anticipation, repeated hard stops. All of this quietly increases running cost. Same Audi, different habits, different wallet impact. Now let's talk about tire pressure, massively ignored and surprisingly expensive. Low pressure increases rolling resistance. That means the engine works harder. Fuel use rises, handling changes, tire wear increases. And many drivers never check until a warning appears. That's expensive ownership. Now let's talk about unnecessary weight, old junk, tools, storage boxes, random cargo, things you forgot months ago. Every kilo matters, especially in urban driving. Now here's something Audi owners underestimate: driving mode choice. Leaving aggressive settings active in daily commuting, using the wrong configuration for traffic, keeping performance-focused response when efficiency would be smarter. That costs money over time. Before we continue, quick reminder: if you love practical Audi ownership tips, hidden features, and money-saving performance tricks, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's talk about ignored maintenance behavior, because silent ownership costs often begin here. Not dramatic failures, gradual inefficiency. The car feels normal, but efficiency slowly declines. Owners adapt, and that's expensive. Now let's discuss battery-related ownership frustration. Weak electrical behavior creates weird issues, slow responses, system instability, unexpected annoyance. Premium ownership becomes stressful, and owners waste money solving symptoms instead of understanding causes. Now here's the dangerous truth. Audi ownership does not become expensive only because Audi parts exist. It becomes expensive when owners ignore small losses for too long, and those losses add up. Fuel, wear, time, stress, and we're just getting started. Because in Part 2, we go deeper into hidden Audi ownership costs most drivers never think about. Because sometimes the most expensive Audi problems start as tiny daily mistakes. Now let's go deeper, because this is where hidden ownership costs become truly dangerous. Not because they destroy the car overnight, but because they slowly drain money while everything appears normal. That's what makes them so effective and so expensive. Let's start with short trips. This is one of the most underestimated habits in modern Audi ownership. A quick drive to the shop, a short school run, a 5-minute commute, a brief stop for errands. Individually, they seem harmless, but repeated constantly, they create a pattern many owners never think about. The car rarely reaches its ideal operating rhythm. Everything stays in a colder, less efficient behavior pattern for longer. Fuel use rises. Mechanical stress can feel invisible. The owner assumes this is simply normal usage, but repeated, inefficient routines create silent cost. Now let's talk about idling. Many drivers still leave the car running unnecessarily, waiting for someone, checking the phone, answering messages, sitting outside a destination. Just 1 minute, then another, then another. Fuel disappears without movement. Tiny amounts each time, meaningful totals over months, and owners never calculate it. Now let's discuss braking habits. This surprises many people, because brakes feel like a normal wear item, and they are, but aggressive stop-and-go habits increase wear dramatically. Late braking, hard braking, poor anticipation, constant traffic impatience. All of this increases ownership cost, not because Audi is expensive, because habits are expensive. Now let's talk about climate control behavior. Premium comfort is wonderful, but misuse becomes costly. Extreme cabin cooling requests, unnecessary aggressive climate use, constant manual fighting against automatic behavior. The system works harder, efficiency changes, daily costs rise quietly. Now here's something many owners never consider: poor route choices, repeated inefficient traffic routes, ignoring better alternatives, driving patterns built around habit instead of logic. Even small routing inefficiencies repeated daily become meaningful. Fuel, time, stress. Ownership cost is not only parts, it is lifestyle behavior, keeping performance-focused response when efficiency would be smarter. That costs money over time. Before we continue, Quick reminder, if you love practical Audi ownership advice, hidden features, and ways to reduce unnecessary costs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively. Now let's discuss convenience habits, because premium ownership sometimes creates laziness, remote comfort expectations, more short convenience trips, less efficient use. The irony is simple. The more comfortable the car feels, the easier it becomes to use inefficiently, and owners never notice. Now let's talk about neglected warning behavior, not dramatic failures, small warnings, minor alerts, things that seem temporary. Owners delay action, days become weeks, weeks become months. The problem does not need to become catastrophic to become expensive. Small inefficiency repeated long enough becomes real cost. Now let's discuss technology misuse. Modern Audi systems can help ownership, but only if used intelligently. Wrong mode choices, ignored efficiency tools, poor infotainment habits that create distraction and inefficient driving. Technology unused is wasted potential. Now here's another hidden cost: stress-driven driving. This sounds strange, but it matters. Rushed owners drive differently, more aggressive acceleration, poor anticipation, late braking, more impatience, and emotional driving is expensive driving. Now let's talk about parking habits. Short, unnecessary movements, repositioning, repeated engine starts, tiny, inefficient routines. Again, individually small, collectively expensive. Now let's discuss tire neglect more deeply, because this is one of the easiest ways owners quietly lose money. Incorrect pressure effects, fuel efficiency tire wear, handling feel, stability, comfort, and because the decline feels gradual, many drivers normalize it. That normalization is expensive. Now let's talk about unnecessary premium spending. This may be unpopular, but some owners spend money emotionally instead of intelligently. Accessories they do not need, changes that add complexity, impulse purchases instead of smart maintenance. Owning a premium car should not mean irrational spending. Now here's something important. Not every Audi owner has high ownership costs because the car is expensive. Some owners simply operate the same car more intelligently. That is the real difference. Now imagine two identical Audi owners. Same model, same mileage, same city. One drives reactively, ignores inefficiencies, never questions habits. The other drives strategically, reduces waste, uses technology intelligently. Completely different cost experience. Same car, different ownership philosophy. Now let's discuss the psychology of silent losses. This is why they are dangerous. Nobody reacts emotionally to tiny repeated waste, because it feels insignificant. 1 extra liter here, slightly more wear there, small delays, minor inefficiency, but time multiplies everything. That is how expensive ownership is often created. Not by catastrophe, by accumulation. Now let's be clear, Audi ownership should be enjoyable. The goal is not paranoia, the goal is awareness. Smarter ownership, better habits, less waste, more enjoyment, because when hidden costs drop, ownership satisfaction rises. Before we finish, remember this: if you want more Audi hidden tech, practical ownership strategies, and money-saving performance advice without unnecessary spending, subscribe now. It's free for you. It helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value, because sometimes the most expensive thing about owning an Audi is not the car, it's the habits you never noticed.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.